Unveiling the meaning of bear fruit, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating English expression that often confuses learners: bear fruit. Whether you're an English language enthusiast or simply polishing your English skills, understanding phrases like this is key to fluency. So, let's explore what it means for something to bear fruit and how you can use this phrase in everyday conversation. Bear fruit is an idiom that originates from a literal context. In agriculture, when we say a tree or plant bears fruit, we mean it produces fruit. However, in a figurative sense, this phrase takes on a broader meaning. To bear fruit means to yield results, produce positive outcomes, or be successful after a period of work or effort. For example, after years of research, the scientists' efforts finally bore fruit in the form of a new vaccine. If you continue to study diligently, your hard work will surely bear fruit in your exam results. When using the phrase, bear fruit, it's important to understand that it's often associated with time. It implies that success or results come as a consequence of patience and sustained effort. You won't hear this phrase used for immediate or short-term results. It's also worth noting that bear is the verb used in the present and simple past tense, while born is the past participle. Correct usage. Patience and careful planning will eventually bear fruit. The community's efforts have finally borne fruit, with the city council agreeing to their demands. Incorrect usage. She bears fruit her homework every day. This doesn't make sense because bear fruit is not used for daily or routine actions. It's not uncommon for learners to confuse bear with bear, which can lead to a common mistake. Bear means to uncover or reveal and has no relation to the idiom bear fruit. Remember, bear has nothing to do with producing results or outcomes. Incorrect. I hope our plans will bear fruit soon. This is incorrect because bear is mistaken for bear. Correct. I hope our plans will bear fruit soon. In English, there are variations to many idioms, and bear fruit is no exception. Sometimes, you might hear someone say, come to fruition, which means the same as bear fruit. It's about seeing something through to the end until it produces results. Example, after a long wait, their investment strategy finally came to fruition. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, bear fruit. English is full of such expressions, and mastering them will certainly make your language skills more robust and your conversations richer. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll see your efforts will bear fruit in your journey of learning English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.